Hi, today let's read this book, City Subways. Now please read the keywords after me. Street, street, subway, subway, under, under, tunnel, tunnel, next stop, next stop, ride, ride. Okay, now let's read the book, City Subways. Honk, beep beep. Look at all the cars, trucks and buses. This street is in a big city. You can't go fast here. The street is too crowded. But you can go fast in a city if you ride the subway. A subway is a train that goes under the streets. It goes under all the cars and trucks and buses. Big machines dig big tunnels in the ground. The subway goes through the big tunnels. You can see red and green lights in the tunnels. The subway driver sees the lights too. The lights tell the driver when to stop and when to go. When the subway stops, the doors open. Some people get off and some people get on. Some people are going to work. Some people are going to school. A subway can take people many places in a city. Then the doors close. Zoom! The subway goes to the next stop. It gets there fast. You can ride the subway in a big city. It's a good way to go.